During Tropical Storm Hilary yesterday, we had water coming in on our passenger side slide. At first we thought it was coming from the windows. These are frameless windows, but after the rain cleared and it dried up, my husband went up on the roof and could tell that the slide out trim was all torn and not staying down. We'd had this problem before on the bedroom slide and he fixed it, and at that time the other slides were fine, but now he's going to take care of it on this one. Our trailer is still under warranty, but we live in it full time and they want to have it for several weeks, and we've heard some experiences that the dealers haven't done a very good job of fixing this problem anyway, so my husband is just going to do the same thing that he did to the bedroom slide. With all the rain that we had, I'm surprised that we didn't have more leaks, and that bedroom slide did not leak at all. We thought at first the water was coming in and that it might be a problem with the frameless windows, and I'm glad to know that it's the trim on the slide out and that it was just running down through the windows, because I'd hate to have to figure out what we would do to caulk frameless windows and fix that. I'm attaching some pictures to this video so that you can see what the trim looks like.